Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a footage on the new Samsung A71 mobile phone, which is a mid-class priced phone with a decent good performance. The phone is powered by an 2.2 GHz Octa-core processor and has a high-class display. The display has a size of 6.7 inch and 2400 times 1080 pixel. So full HD is given and is quite light intensive with 910 candle. The memory is 128 gigabyte and 6 gigabyte internal RAM. The phone is available in 3 colors. I chose for the black one because I found it the best design. The phone comes with a charger and complementary earphones. The earphones are not of that good quality. Compared to the S series, you get really a low quality. The power supply is really powerful. It's connected by an USB-C plug. Unfortunately, even so, the guy told me in the shop that there would be wireless charging. This phone cannot be charged wireless, so it's always by wire. One of the highlights for sure is the camera system. It has 4 lenses, with the main camera bringing up to 64 megapixel resolution. And then you have also some ultra wide lens. Here you see the display. It has really a nice color and can also be read in sunlight. The phone comes with the newest version of the Android 10. As said before, so here you can see what the camera can do. Here you see an approach of a plane, and you see that the autofocus has some problems to focus the plane nicely, and also the light intensity is not too high. So, but overall the camera gets better if the object comes closer to the phone, and then you see that then the quality increases. Here the comparison of an iPhone 8 Plus. The camera has this spec-wise a lower resolution. However, you see here that it has the focus is quite improved, and you see really that it catches the objects already quite early, and you can have a clear picture of that. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the phone and also the camera, so you could buy it if you want to have a mid-class phone. In the text below you find more specs of the phone. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, smash up the thumbs up button and please hit the bell for being informed when a new video comes in.